Major opposition parties and several social organizations of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have announced to launch a joint struggle against the so-called final report of the Delimitation Commission, which has led to a significant increase in number of the Jammu and Kashmir's assembly seats for Hindu majority areas of Jammu region to dilute the territory's Muslim character. The announcement was made after a 3-hour-long meeting of the parties under the banner of All Parties United Morcha in Jammu. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement in Srinagar, said that BJP is trying to convert Muslim-majority Jammu and Kashmir into a minority area, adding that the delimitation process is another link to end the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. She asked the Indian Supreme Court to restore the Article 370. Convener of All Parties Hurriyat Conference SHJ&K chapter, Muhammad Farooq Rahmani has said the Hindutva in India and Zionism in Israel are two faces of the same coin. Speaking in a seminar on final report of India's so-called Delimitation Commission, Rahmani said it was a Hitlerian persecution campaign and a Zionist method to make Jammu and Kashmir a Hindu racist region by destroying under cover of so-called delimitation process. He warned the report is fraught with formidable dangers and the Muslim majority occupied territory could be turned into a Hindu region within the next 5 to 10 years. Meanwhile, a civilian who was injured in the firing by Indian troops in Pandoshan area of Shopian district succumbed at a hospital in Srinagar. 2 civilians were critically injured when the troops opened indiscriminate fire during a coordinated search operation in the area the other day. The condition of the other injured civilian is stated to be critical. In another incident, a youth identified as Shahid Ahmed Mochi was found dead under suspicious circumstances inside an orchard in Yaripora area of Kulgam district. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference, while condemning the ongoing killing spree, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said extrajudicial killings of innocent Kashmiri youth are manifestations of the unabated Indian state terrorism in occupied territory. The APHC appealed to the United Nations to impress upon India to withdraw draconian laws which give license to its troops to kill the Kashmiris with impunity. It said that people of Jammu and Kashmir were offering sacrifices for the United Nations' acknowledged right to self-determination. The burning and destruction of the centuries-old shrine of Kashmiri saint Sheikh Nuruddin Wali by Indian troops at Chirari Sharif in Budgam completed 28 years today. It was on this day in 1995 when, besides the shrine, the troops burned to ashes a historic mosque and hundreds of residential houses after a 66 days military siege of the Chirari Sharif complex. After hosting of Khalistan's banners and flags on the Legislative Assembly building of India's Himachal Pradesh state, now a rocket-propelled grenade or RPG hit the intelligence wing headquarters of police in Mohali in Indian Punjab on Monday night, shattering window panes on one of the floors of the building. A jailed Sikh member of Khalistan movement, Hardeep Singh alias Shera, has told the Delhi High Court that he has been deprived of right to life by the Indian jail authorities by not providing the basic amenities and is tortured and harassed in New Delhi's Rohini jail.